Hey guys, welcome back to Earn With Loki. In today's video, I'm going to talk about iMerit technology. So this company was founded in 2012 and it is a very genuine company where freelancing and remote work opportunities are available, especially in data annotations, language project and AI training work. So I'm making this video because I'm personally working on this platform, and in this video, I will share everything from application process, assessment test, dashboard work and payout details. Okay, I will also help you to get the project. So without wasting time, let's get started. So basically, iMerit is a USA-based company that work on AI, data annotations, and the language projects. So many big AI companies outsources their work. Companies like iMerit, and then iMerit hires a freelancers and remote workers from a different countries like India. So this is a genuine remote freelancing opportunity, not a fake, not a scam. So this is their official website, and if you find any role matching your skills, so you can apply directly from their website as well. But in this video, I will also share 2 to 3 direct applications links and Google form through which you can get the assessment test. Okay, now I'm on the website and here you can see the different sections. I will click on the annotation job. Many people told me that they applied from the website but they did not get any response and they feel frustrated, but don't worry, I will share direct links and Google form also, and this form are for the future opportunities and the upcoming projects. Okay, so just you have to name first and it is the very basic details. Okay, and when project is available, so they will send you an email. So even if there is no immediate project or your profile will be there in database, so you can get a work letter also. Now moving back to their website, and this is the Google form application for the Korean language and the Gujarati language. So you can apply from India and it is a remote opportunity. If your language is not listed like the English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, still fill the form. After that, if you receive the assessment mail, so you can reply to the email and request the language change. And if the project is available, they will move to the language project. मैंने भी ऐसे किया था, मैंने जापानीज के लिए अप्लाई किया था. देन कुछ मेल आता है उनका, तो फिर आप उन्हें रिवर्ट बैक करो एंड ask them there is any opportunity for the other language, because अभी मैंने देखा इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी लैंग्वेज का गूगल फॉर्म नहीं है. माइट बी आई हैव अपलोडेड ऑन द टेलीग्राम ग्रुप. I'm sharing this tip because I personally did this and got work, so it works. And this is not for all companies, but usually अगर ट्राई करने में क्या जाता है. Okay, after filling the form, usually in 1 to 2 days, you will receive the assessment test mail. ऐसा कुछ रहेगा. Okay, so यहाँ पे कुछ इंग्लिश और हिंदी असेसमेंट रहेगा जो भी आप अप्लाई करते हो. एंड द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पे मेंशन है $3 पर आवर फॉर द क्वालिफाई बोथ, बट एक प्रोजेक्ट पे वेरी करता है. ठीक है, सो यूजुअली $3-4 एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो एंड इट्स गुड अगर वर्क उतना ज़्यादा लोडेड नहीं है तो. एंड आफ्टर यू पास द असेसमेंट, यू विल रिसीव द कंपनी ईमेल, लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स, ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल, डैशबोर्ड एक्सेस, जो मैं आपकी आगे बताने वाला हूँ. तो जो असेसमेंट होता है तो इट रिलेटेड टू द लैंग्वेज अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एनोटेशंस, एग्जांपल, एमसीक्यू गूगल फॉर्म में ही होता है, बहुत इजी होता है. आफ्टर यूर पास द असेसमेंट, यू विल रिसीव कंपनी ईमेल, लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स, ट्रेनिंग मटेरियल्स और डैशबोर्ड. ओके, तो बात की बात. ओके, नाउ आई विल शो यू माई डैशबोर्ड. सो बेसिकली ईमेल है जो प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताया है. ओके, एंड okay, now I will show you my working dashboard. Okay, this is the email. Okay, so this is the working dashboard. Active project you can see, and the review, feedback, working hours, it will show all in this dashboard. Okay, the best part is here you can actually talk to real people, ask doubts on a Google Meet and they help you. So this is different from platforms like Aligner or Outlier where everything is automated. So वहाँ पे कोई हेल्प करता नहीं है, कोई ईमेल ऐप पे कुछ भी होता नहीं है. तो हियर इज़ वेरी गुड थिंग, आपको ये कंपनी का ईमेल प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा. सो आप गूगल मीट एंड वहाँ पे आप मैसेज में टॉक कर सकते हो अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट, अबाउट द समथिंग जो भी कुछ रिलेटेड होता है. हियर इट फील्स लाइक यू आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग विद द कंपनी टीम. ओके, so now let's talk about the payment. The payout for my project is around $4 per hour. So this project is about on the audio annotations. Okay, and some languages projects pay more. Payment is on time and the company is genuine, so no payment issue. So इनो डेटा में होता था डिले, तो you can expect, but in the end आ ही जाएगा. So overall it is a good freelancing side income opportunity. Okay, so now very important tips. If you want to get project, so fill the Korean or Gujarati form, wait for the assessment mail. If your language is different, so reply to mail and ask for the language change. If आपको हिंदी और इंग्लिश का मिलता है, so it's the well and good, आप डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हो. And for those who know the international language, Japanese, Chinese, so EB role available है, so you can apply it. and keep checking email and apply again after some time if no response. तो ये करना ही होता है फ्रीलांसिंग में, ऐसा नहीं कि एक बार कर दे तो प्रोजेक्ट मिलेगा ही. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई एंड डिफरेंट जॉब रोल्स. तो यही मैं करता हूँ, तो मेजरली हो जाता है. आई डिड द सेम प्रोसेस एंड एक्चुअली गॉट द प्रोजेक्ट. सो मैं आपको मेल शो करूँगा. एक्चुअली आई हैव अप्लाइड फॉर द जापानीज रोल. So, but I also want to say honestly, everyone has a different skill set and not everyone will get a project immediately. But I will try to help you to get the project. Okay. So if you want to update applications link and a new opportunities, join my Telegram group. It's completely free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It just take 2 seconds for you, but it really helps me to make more amazing videos for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.